Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix HyperGX CPU usage. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If HyperGX is consuming a high amount of CPU, you can try the following steps to address the issue and reduce CPU usage. So the first method would be, ensure that you're using the latest version of HyperGX. You can check the updates by going to Settings, About HyperGX. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Next method, clearing the browser cache can sometimes resolve issues related to cached data. Navigate to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, and clear the cache. Another method, browser extensions can contribute to increased CPU usage. Temporarily disable all extensions in HyperGX to see if the CPU usage decreases. Enable extensions one by one to identify any problematic ones. Another method, hardware acceleration can sometimes cause increased CPU usage. Turn off hardware acceleration by disabling the option for use hardware acceleration when available. Another guide, having too many open tabs can strain system resources. Try closing unnecessary tabs to reduce CPU usage. Another method, ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, for example, Nvidia, AMD, Intel, and download the latest drivers for your system. Next method, right-click on the HyperGX shortcut, go to Properties, and navigate to the Compatibility tab. Check the option to run the program in compatibility mode, and choose Previous Windows version. Another method, use the Task Manager to monitor the resource usage of HyperGX. Identify if any particular process is consuming excessive CPU resources. And lastly, if other solutions don't work, you can try resetting HyperGX settings to their default values. Go to Settings, Browser, and click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.